In this tutorial, you will learn how to install Zotero and the Zotero connector to integrate with Microsoft Word for citations and references. First, go to zotero.org. Okay. On this screen, click Download. And Zotero should automatically detect which operating system you're using. If you want to put it on a different system, you can go here to Other Platforms, but it's best just to use the default for the system you're on. You click Download, Save. And when it opens, click that. Click Yes, Next, Next, and Install. This is a very safe program. There's no malware, there's no spyware, there's no malicious anything on it, no adware. Okay, make sure Launch Zotero Now is checked and finish. And here you have your Zotero. I'm going to minimize this for now. Now we go to the connector. You can see that my connector is showing the Google Chrome symbol because my default browser is Google Chrome. And it should show whatever the symbol for whatever browser you're on. If you want to connect it to a different browser, you can click here and connect it to Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Okay, I'm just going to go with my Chrome connector. Add to Chrome, add extension, and we're good to go. Okay, now to check that it installed correctly, I'm going to open a Microsoft Word document. And I'm going to open a blank document. And if I've managed to install everything correctly, there should be a Zotero menu here in the menu bar. If you click that, you'll see all of the Zotero preferences. Okay? Everything's installed correctly. You're ready to do research.